welcome to the last episode of my bikepacking trip through the Netherlands. My name is Arjan, and so this is the last part. Yesterday, I stayed over at my mom's place as surprise. The weather was too bad actually to cycle, but today should be sort of alright. Now I've just left Doetinchem, and now I am entering a little town called Hengelo, which is made famous by a local band called Normaal.
Ik zeg oeh. Ik zeg ah. Ik zeg oeh. Oerend kwamen ze door aangeschud. Oerend want ze hadden van de motocross gehoord. Langzaam rijden, dat deden ze nooit. Daar vonden ze toch maar diep verknoot. Betters op zijn auto en tieners op de BSA. Naar de motocross op het Hengelse zand. De hoender en de vrouw luistoven aan de kant. Betters op zijn auto en tieners op de BSA. Ze gingen oerend hard. Ze gingen oerend hard. Oerend hard scheurden ze naar de kras naar huis. Oerend hard, want dan waren ze eerder thuis. Ze hadden allerbest een gein gehad. Ze waren allebei een heel klein beetje hun zaad. Een betters op zijn auto en tieners op de BSA. Aan het gevoor hadden ze nog nooit gedacht. Ze waren koning op de weg en dachten alles mag. Een betters op zijn auto en tieners op de BSA. Ze gingen oerend hard. Ze gingen oerend hard. Maar zoals altijd kwam dat gejakker een eind. Deuren zat de keel die de snelheid van een motor niet kent. Betters reed erop en tieners kwam er vlak achteraan. Iedereen die zei van die leur nooit meer wat van. Ze gingen nooit, nee nooit, nooit meer oerend hard. Ze gingen nooit, nee nooit, nooit meer oerend hard. Maar wie gaat oerend hard. Maar wie gaat oerend hard. En wie gaat oerend hard. En wie gaat
Now, despite the fact that this was always going to be a long day on the bike, I actually added another 18 or so kilometers to the trip, just so I could do some more of a scenic route today. And now I am actually on a popular area called Holterberg, and normally I cycle here quite often, as it's pretty much the only place in the northeast of the Netherlands where you can find a few hills. And yeah, it's a busy day today here. turned out, this was actually the only time on the day that I had a bit of rainfall, but as soon as I put on my rain jacket, it had already subsided. And now I'm on my way to Nijverdal, where I just got noticed that my good friend Bert Jan is waiting for me. So he's going to join me for the last 100K or so. So I'm super excited about that. And also it's super nice because we pretty much started off this journey as on day one he cycled the first 50K with me, and now he's going to do the last 100. So yeah, that's super good news. And here we are, actually at the last 50 kilometers of this trip. So I guess it's about time to contemplate a little bit about some of the takeaways for me during this tour. And definitely a pro for me was finding the website Vrienden op de Fiets, where, as I told you before in some of the earlier episodes, you can find friendly people who will host you for little money. So that was absolutely fantastic. And apparently I can actually do 100 to 150K on subsequent days, so that was a good find for me as well. Obviously I had lots of fun on the bike, and I find biking, I already knew that of course, but it's an ideal way to clear your head at any given time, I feel. So And yeah, that was absolutely amazing. And on the cons, only two. I met two idiots who bought some, liquid over me. Um, yeah, strange experience. And obviously my flat tires, but really can't complain. The weather was much better than anticipated. And now that Europe is slowly opening again for me, I'm really starting to plan some other tours in other countries as well. So I hope to see you there. So thanks for watching, and be safe out there. Bye.
Walking round the room singing stormy weather at 57 Mount Pleasant Street. Well, it's the same room, but everything's different. You can fight the sleep, but not the dream. Things ain't cooking in my kitchen. Strange affliction wash over me. Julius Caesar and the Roman Empire couldn't conquer the blue sky. Well, there's a small boat made of China. It's going nowhere on the mantelpiece.